Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Mini OTDR devices for fiber optic testing in 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Mini Pro OTDR Fiber Optic Reflectometer. The Mini Pro OTDR Reflectometer offers comprehensive fiber testing at 1310/1550 nm with a 22/24 dB dynamic range for up to 60 kilometers. It includes VFL, OLS, OPM, and an event map function, suitable for English, Spanish, and Russian users. The advantages of this Mini OTDR are multi-language support for global usability, wide dynamic range for versatile testing. The disadvantages of this Mini OTDR are maximum testing distance is 60 kilometers. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 5G Mini OTDR Active Fiber Live Tester. The 5G Mini OTDR is a fiber optic tester optimized for live fiber testing at 1550 nanometers with a 20 dB dynamic range. Equipped with a touchscreen, OPM, VFL, OLS, and an SC connector, it offers precise results and efficient operation for fiber network troubleshooting. The advantages of this Mini OTDR are optimized for 5G fiber networks, high-precision live testing capability, convenient touchscreen operation. The disadvantages of this Mini OTDR are limited to 20 dB range, not suitable for long-distance testing. At number 3. Portuguese English Bilingual Handheld Mini OTDR. This handheld Mini OTDR offers multifunctional fiber testing with bilingual Portuguese and English interfaces. It includes an optical power meter, a stable light source, and user-friendly controls, making it suitable for technicians in diverse environments. The advantages of this Mini OTDR are bilingual interface for wider usability, compact and lightweight design, multifunctional with a stable light source. The disadvantages of this Mini OTDR are limited to 2 languages, basic display screen. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. OFW Mini OTDR Optic Reflector. The OFW Mini OTDR Optic Reflector is an advanced optical fiber tester designed for active fiber live testing at 1550 nanometers with a 20 dB dynamic range. It features a touchscreen, OPM, VFL, and IOLA, making it ideal for accurate diagnostics and fiber network maintenance. The advantages of this Mini OTDR are real-time active fiber testing, user-friendly touchscreen interface, comprehensive diagnostics with multiple tools. The disadvantages of this Mini OTDR are limited to 20 dB range, requires frequent calibration. At number 1. Pro Mini OTDR Fiber Optic Reflectometer, compact and powerful. The Pro Mini OTDR Fiber Optic Reflectometer 980 Rev offers 9 functions, including VFL, OLS, OPM, and an event map with 24 dB for testing up to 64 kilometers. It is designed for comprehensive fiber cable and Ethernet testing, providing accurate results in various environments. The advantages of this Mini OTDR are versatile 9-in-1 functionality, high dynamic range for long-distance testing. The disadvantages of this Mini OTDR are limited to 64 kilometers range,